picked up that you said walk in your purpose, and real briefly, just explain what that is, walking in your purpose.
So when you find out what your purpose is, embracing it and knowing that that's who you are, that's what you were created to do, you will embrace any particular thing that comes your way that lines with that purpose, and you'll walk in it, you'll bloom in it, you'll be able to be confident in it. And that again, when you're walking in the purpose, I believe from the bottom of my heart that that's where your true joy comes from. Happiness, and you're able to provide opportunities not only for yourself but for people around you, and again, pleasing God, because that's the ultimate. You have that sense of fulfillment when you're walking. You're not sitting there confused. This is again what I see in the young people. Confused. What should I do? I don't know. I think there's more to life. There's got to be something more. That's because they haven't found exactly what their purpose is. And so when you're walking it, you can absolutely tell when somebody is walking in their purpose. They bloom. They shine. And, and you're going to want what they have. You really are. You're going to look at them and say, man, she's great. He's great, and because they're walking in their purpose and they know it. They know it because they're so confident, and it comes natural. You're not trying to be something you're not, or trying to imitate what someone else is overdoing. You're just taking your natural abilities and you're tweaking it however you want to tweak it to make it, your flair on it. And it's you, and you're going for it, and I love to watch people walk in their purpose, and just the unique, them being so unique, and knowing that that's what God makes us all unique for that purpose, because we can't be the same, and when I see talent in people, I'm like, man, that's so cool. God made you like that, and use it and go for it, and do and be all that God has created you to be, man. There's no other joy. There is no other joy in that freedom that you have. And, it brings another level of glory.